2014 Lexus IS 250. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. It is quiet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 87. 2014 Lexus IS 250. Nice stone gray color. Cool looking car. Anyways, what we got done: factory converter, secondary converters, factory X pipe right there. Then we slapped on it 2 LCGPs, part number SHR 254019. There'll be a link in the description for it right there. As you guys can see, them nice and shiny. Then 2-inch pipe out the back. We did also a muffler delete there and right there into some 3.5-inch straight cut tips, blue flame right there and right there. Came out really nice, really clean. There's the 2 stock mufflers that were on it. There's the 2 stock resonators that were on it. We cut them both off, give it a nice deep tone. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. What do you think? Yeah. It sounds like a friggin' like Ferrari or something. That's what I like about it. It just gives it a deep tone. Yeah, that's clean. Here's sound decibels. 105. Hell yeah. Again? Go ahead and back it out. Yeah, either or. Doesn't matter. He's going to back it out here, and then you'll pull off after. And the nice thing about it, it's quiet at idle. It's not too bad. It's not like crazy, you know? So it doesn't disturb the neighbors or nothing like that. That's a nice sound. Oh yeah, that's perfect. LCGP does not disappoint. Let you guys hear on the inside. This is IS 250 LCGP mids, rear delete, 4-inch tips. Come on, nice. Sounds like a Ferrari. Blue flame tip. Looks good on these. I like it.